English speech. How to earn money easily. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, let's talk about something that is on everyone's mind. Yeah, money. We all need it. We all want it. And many of us wonder how to make it without struggling too much. The truth is, there is no magic formula for instant wealth, but there are smarter ways to earn money. First, consider your skill and talents. Each of us has something we are good at, whether it is writing, designing, coding, or even communicating. The key is to turn your passion into profit. Platforms like freelance websites, online marketplaces, and social media allow you to showcase your abilities to the world and find clients or customers who need your services. Another way to make money more easily is to explore passive income opportunities. Passive income is money you earn while you are not actively working. This could mean creating an online course, writing a book, investing in stocks, or renting out property. While it takes effort to set up, it can lead to long-term financial rewards with less active involvement. And don't forget the power of technology. In today's digital age, you can use apps and tools to simplify your money making journey. From selling products online to creating content on YouTube or TikTok, technology provides endless opportunities to monetize your creativity. Finally, remember the importance of mindset. Believe in yourself and your potential. Stay curious and keep learning, because the more you grow, the more opportunities will come your way. To wrap it up, earning money easily is not about shortcuts. It is about working smart, leveraging your strengths, and making the most of the resources around you. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.